The cylinder cap seal seals the head valve cap to the nail gun's body. The seal can fail over time. This will cause air to leak between the cap and the body. Replacing the cap seal is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the nail gun. With the cap removed, I can remove the old cap seal and install the new one. And that's how easy it is to replace the cylinder cap seal on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.